Hey guys, welcome to Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious cashew porridge. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload all my contents. All that I'll be using to make this cashew porridge will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to make my delicious cashew porridge. You'll be needing some cinnamon powder, oats, cashew, and also you're going to need some honey, some coconut milk, some almond essence. You'll be needing some cinnamon sticks. You'll be needing rose water. Also, you're going to need some vanilla essence. You're going to need your salt. You're going to need some almond milk. You're going to need some ground nutmeg and also some mixed spice. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now you want to go ahead and get yourself a medium-sized pot like this with about 3.5 cups of water inside of it. To that now you'll be adding your cinnamon sticks. You want to make sure your fire is on a medium heat. And also you'll be adding your salt to that. Guys, leave this to come to a boil. I'll get right back with you guys. Now in the meanwhile, my water is coming to a boil with those cinnamon sticks in there. Now you want to go ahead and get your blender. Yes guys, I'll be blending up my cashews and also my oats. Look at that now. So I'm gonna add your oats into it. 2 cups of oats, guys. 3 cups of cashew I'll be using. Now I'm going in with a cup of my almond milk. To that. Just a little bit more. Thanks, guys. Now you want to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, you want to make sure you properly blend your cashew and especially your oats. You want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. You don't want to find no lump in it. Yes guys, I'm just going to blend this for and I'll get right back with you guys. Yes guys, now here you have it guys. Look at that, wow. Look at this guys. It's looking all creamy and nice, no lump inside of it. I'm telling you guys. Now my water is come to a boil also. This guys, wow, the cinnamon sticks smell so nice in the water guys. Let me remove my blade. Now you just want to go ahead and add your mixture straight to that boiling water. In the meanwhile you're adding it, you want to make sure you stir it around. This guys, preventing it from lump up into your boiling water. So stir it around. If you have a whisk at home, it's also good to use into this now. Oh, it smells so nice guys. Guys, did you know that cashew is good for you and also good for your eyesight? It's good for weight loss also and lowering your blood sugar. This guys, that mix this around now. You don't want it to lump up guys, so just make sure you stir that around. Finish scraping out that now. Guys, it's looking beautiful. Smelling so amazing guys. I wish I was in the kitchen to smell the aroma that's coming from these cashew. Yes guys, I'm going to put in the spices as it, like my cinnamon powder and my nutmeg. It's not in there, then you can smell the cashew guys. hope you give this one a try at home, guys. As I said, cashew is really good for you, good for your eyesight, rich in zinc. Yes, guys. Boosts your immune system also. If you have a cup of this every morning, guys, before you go to work, I'm telling you, it's really amazing and good for the body. It's really healthy. Look at that, guys. You can see it start to get thick already. Guys, if you find that your porridge get too thick, you can always add some milk to it. If you have your regular cow's milk, or you can add some more of that almond milk. I'm going to add my coconut milk to this, guys. As I said, it's all healthy. This porridge here, especially for my vegan lovers, this is a good porridge to have in the morning. Healthy breakfast, guys, I'm telling you. Guys, wow, it smells really amazing, guys. Now I'm going to make my coconut milk. Let's give that a shake. I'm adding, let's mix that around. Guys, I'm just going to leave this for about 10 minutes. So, come to a boil and I'll get back to you. Now here you have it, guys. After that 10 minutes of leaving it to come to a boil and getting thick. Yes, guys, look at that. I'm telling you, this cashew porridge is looking so rich, guys. As I was saying to you guys, it's rich in fiber, these cashew. Guys, cashew got a lot of benefits, guys. If you Google it, I'm telling you, you won't regret drinking this porridge. This porridge is so healthy. Boosts your immune system, let you lose weight. Yes, guys, full of protein. Got fiber inside of it too, omega-3. Yes, guys, this porridge is really amazing to have in the morning, especially when you're going to work. Give you that energy. Now I'm just going in with my vanilla essence. Yes, guys. I'm going in with my rose water. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of my rose water. Yes. And also my almond essence. I'll be using a teaspoon of that. Yes, guys. I just want to mix in those essence to that now. Right, telling you. Really nice to have, guys. I made it last week and I said no, I have to come back and share it with you guys. I have to record it and do a video, let you guys know that cashew, wow, to have this cashew porridge, it's really healthy, guys, in the morning. I'm telling you, or anytime you choose to have it, in the midday for lunch. I'm telling you, when you have it in the morning, that energy that it gives you, that drive, I'm telling you, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, looking rich. It's smelling so amazing, guys. Really, really healthy. For that now, I'm just adding half teaspoon of my mixed spice to that. I'm adding a teaspoon of my ground nutmeg also. Also a teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. I just want to mix those in now, guys. Make sure you mix them in properly. Make sure they don't lump up on you. Guys, you have to mix them properly. Oh, that, guys, I'm telling you. Smells so nice in the kitchen, guys. The aroma that's coming from this cashew porridge, so nice, looking rich and healthy, guys. This one, my vegan lovers can have this porridge, yes, guys, because I'm using all natural stuff into my porridge here, especially that almond milk, that coconut milk. Well, go with the cashew. And also you know so that oats is good for your muscles, guys, with your muscles. So you know, this porridge is really healthy and lovely for the body. Guys, I'm just gonna give this 5 more minutes boil with those essence that I put in there, and I'll get back to you before I start to sweeten it. Now checking back on my cashew porridge after that 5 minutes, guys. Guys, wow. I lift the pot, you can smell those essence, especially that cinnamon and that vanilla essence, almond essence, guys. Wow. Smell that's coming up into the steam, guys. Smell it. Smells so nice. This, guys, for my cashew porridge looking so rich and thick. That, guys, perfect. That's how I want it, and that's how you guys to make it. Should make it just like this. Now it's time to sweeten my porridge. I'll be using some honey. Guys, if you don't have honey, you can always use your brown sugar, or you can use condensed milk. Your choice. As I said, guys, this is all healthy. That's why my vegan lovers can try this one. This, guys, it's all organic stuff that I'm using. I'm using the natural honey that I get from the organic store. This, guys, I'm just going in with half of this first and taste it. You can sweeten it to how sweet you want it, guys. You don't want to make it too sweet, guys, or you won't be tasting your cashew. Let's give that a mix now. Just like that. So you want to mix in your honey into your cashew porridge. I'm just going to give this a taste now. So let's taste like. Can take a little bit more of my honey. So guys, just mix in that honey again. That's it now. Give it a taste again. See if it's perfect and can. Perfect, guys. Wow. You can taste that cashew. You can taste your coconut milk and those essence. Nice, guys. I hope you guys give this one a try too. I'm telling you. Especially when you're going gym in the morning. Yes, guys, you want to have a cup of this before you go to your local gym. Yes, guys, build that body. Now this is finished now, guys. I'm just gonna turn this off and share it out and get back to you guys that you see it. Now here you have it, guys. I've served out my cashew porridge. To go with it, I got some crackers, yes, guys, on the side. As I say, guys, this is a healthy porridge to have in the morning for all my vegan lovers, to all my peeps that love to go to the gym. Yes, guys, this porridge is really healthy to have in the morning. Boosts your immune system. You got your fiber in it. You got your omega-3. It's good on losing body fat. Yes, guys, just by eating just a cashew. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, you got a lot of benefits inside of those cashew, guys. I hope you guys give this porridge a try at home. Yes, guys, with you and your family. Share it with your friends. It's so amazing, guys, and I'm telling you, I had it before and I said, no, let me come and share it with you guys so you guys can know how to make this delicious cashew porridge at home. Got so much benefits in it, guys. You can go ahead and even Google the benefits of cashew. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching my Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys, and tell me what you think about this amazing cashew porridge when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.